Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the background to your lock screen on Windows 10. So when you're logging into the computer and you have to swipe the screen in order to access the login menu, you will be greeted with a backdrop that is more than likely the same one that you selected when you installed Windows 10. So if for some reason you wanted to change it to another background bundled with Windows, or if you had another image you wanted to use as the lock screen backdrop, this tutorial is for you. So we're going to start by heading over to our Start button, and we're going to left click on it, then left click on Settings, then left click on the Personalization tile. On the left side here, left click on Lock Screen. If you scroll down, we see we have 5 different images we could select that are included with Windows 10. If you had another image you wanted to use instead, you could left click on this Browse button right here, and you could select any JPEG image you wanted to use. Just keep in mind the dimensions of your screen and that it might look very distorted if you don't use a very good picture. So with that in mind, once you're done making your changes, you do not have to click on save or anything like that. You can just safely close out of the settings menu and your changes should be automatically saved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.